Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to set up an account for Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. This is the official homepage of Indeed. Now let's simply look at how to sign in for your account. Right here in the nav bar, you'll find something like sign in. Simply click on it. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Well, there are many options like continuing with Google, Apple, or simply your email address. Choose whichever you wish. But for now, I'm simply gonna select Google. The first option, I'm gonna click on it, and then something like this will open up. Select the Google account of your choice, and finally give your confirmation. And guys, as you can see, after giving your confirmation, something like this will open up. It's asking whether we want to create an account for a job seeker or an employer. Select whichever one you wish, but right now I'm gonna select job seeker. Just enter your city and state and your postal code. Do note that you can also toggle on this button that says I'm interested in remote work. Let's hit on continue. Now it will ask you for your base pay, simply enter it and select the pay period. Again, let's hit on continue. Now it's asking us what job are we looking for. Simply enter your job title. And once everything's okay, simply click on view jobs. Now it says it's matching you with our jobs. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up for Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.